Hey my guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's DIY Friday, but this time around it is failed DIY. I know, right? I'm going to gist you guys. So let's start from the beginning. As you all know, or if you're just coming across my video for the first time, I always post a video that is DIY on my channel every weekend. And most of these things I do it for the first time. So it's more like I watch a video and I experiment it for the first time. So in this one, I was trying to recreate a soap which I saw on Instagram. I watched the video thoroughly and I decided to recreate it. So first of all, the soap the lady used was a different soap altogether, but she also mentioned that you can use Dove for it. So I got the necessary ingredients, starting with Dove soap, which is going to be the base soap for the soap. I also got honey, turmeric, glycerin, and lemon because the soap I was trying to make is supposed to be a brightening soap. So yes, first of all, in the woman's video, she showed that you can melt your soap by just placing it in a boiling water, which I did. And it was not even shifting. It was not shifting. The soap was not melting at all. So I watched more videos on how to dissolve like my tablet soap, and I saw a video where they said I should grate it, which is why I've been grating this soap. I grated and grated and grated. So I used 4 pieces of Dove bar soap. Side note, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. It's your girl T. And my love, please do well to subscribe, like this video, drop your comments in the comment section. It's all vibes and inshallah here. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say you thank you so much for the love. I don't take it for granted. So I went right into pouring hot water in the soap, in the already grated soap, so I will be able to dissolve this thoroughly. To be honest, I don't even know what went wrong in this soap. Like, I don't know the points it started going wrong because I followed everything by the book. But and at this point, it was actually beginning to turn out well. I was beginning to be hopeful, but the end is going to shock you. After dissolving the grated soap in hot water, like very, very, very hot boiling water, I put the soap on boiling water on fire, directly on fire. I added rice flour, I added lemon, I added honey. Everything was going really smooth until I added turmeric. It went from 100 to 0 real quick, guys. I laughed and I laughed and I laughed, but then I said I must post this because I am open to learning new things. So the experts in the house, please tell me where I went wrong, teach me, correct me, because I'm still going to try this. I'm still going to come back with the good results. I'm going to show you guys. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like and share and all this good stuff. I'm going to be attaching the exact soap I was going for. Thanks for watching. Bye.